Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I am Smail Ilyas with new lesson of English language class 5. The lesson is WH questions. Dear students, let's try to learn what are WH questions. The questions which begin with WH or with H are called WH questions. Questions are asked to get a specific response to derive a certain information, or if you always want to get an information about something or someone, you always have to ask WH questions. So WH questions are basically questions when we want to get specific information about something, we ask WH questions. Now let's try to learn that what kind of WH questions are. My dear students, I know that there is a question in your minds that what kind of WH questions are there. I'm going to explain the kinds of WH question. The first one is when. When talks about time. When we want to know the time of particular things occur or the time of particular events, we use the question word when. For example, when is meeting? When is the next class? Here basically we want to know the time of meeting and next class. That's why we use the word when. The second one is where. Where talks about place. Whenever we want to know the place, we use the question word where. For example, where is the main shop? Where is the restaurant? So main shop and restaurants are places. We want to know the exact location, or we want to get the information that where is the main shop and where is the restaurant. So we want to know the exact locations of these places, we use the word where. Third one is who. Who talks about person or people. As we know that people is the plural of person. When we want to get information about person or people, we use the word who. For example, who are they? Who is the boy wearing green shirt? So here we want to get information about person, we use the word question word who. The fourth one is why. Why talks about reason. Whenever we want to know the reason of something, we use the question word why. For example, why is he always late? Here actually we want to know the reason that why he comes late. So why is he always late? We use the question word why. Why did you cook dinner today? So when we want to know the reason of something, we use the question word why. Next is what. What talks about idea or action. For example, what is he doing? Here we want to know the action of her. So we use the word what is he doing. What is new plan? Here I'm talking about plan. So I'm asking what is new plan. So what talks about idea or action. Next is which. Which talks about things. When we want to get information about things, we use the question word which. For example, which colors do you prefer? Here we want to get information about colors. And which subjects do you like to take this year? When we want to get information about things, we use the question word which. The next is whose. Whose talks about possession. When we want to get information related to the possession of someone, we use the word whose. For example, whose bag is this? Whose cap is this? So, whose talks about possession of someone. The next is how. How talks about manner or method. When we want to get information about the manner or method of doing something, we use the word how. For example, how you draw this picture, how you go to work. So we want to get information that how you draw this picture. We want to know the manner or method of drawing this picture. That's why we use the word how. The next is how much. How much talks about price or amount. When we want to get information about the price or amount of something, we use the word how much. For example, how much did you pay for this dress? Or how much did you pay for shoes? So dear students, these are WH questions we have discussed. Although there are many other WH questions, but the basic and common we have discussed. I hope all of you have understood well and in proper way. By getting this information related to WH questions, you will be able to attempt exercises that are given in your books. So move your books, open your learner's book, page number 9. Here is the topic, cool profiles. First we will have to complete the given profile. After completing this, you will be able to complete or attempt the exercise number 5. So first let's complete this profile. And I know that in previous lesson you people learned that what profile is. Name Santiago. Name Santiago. Age 11 years. Country Argentina. Family mom, dad, little brother. Pets hamster, dog. Hobbies play football. Best friend 2 friends, Peter, Luca. What people like about him? Outgoing and cheerful. What I like about myself? Tidy and patient. What I could improve about myself? Improve bad tempered. So I hope all of you have completed this profile. Now move to the exercise 5, page number 9 of learner's book. So dear students, page number 9 of learner's book, exercise number 5. Look at the use of English box and complete these questions with WH question words. Then answer these questions about Santiago. Number 1 is dash is his name. Number 2, dash is he from. Number 3, are the people in his family. 4, dash pets has he got. 5, dash are his hobbies. Number 6, dash are his best friends. 7, dash do people like about him. So you have completed the profile of Santiago. You will use WH questions which we have discussed and that are also given in your book, use of English. Box name, use of English. Question words with WH. What, who, where, when, which, whose, why. And I know that there is no word that I have not discussed for you. So the first one I'm going to complete for your help. First one is dash is his name. What is his name? So you will have to complete this exercise with WH question words. So this is task number 1 for you, that you will have to attempt this exercise number 5 from page number 9 of learner's book on loose sheets. Now move to another task. Dear students, you will have to make questions using following question words. First one is what, who, where, when, which, whose, why. So this is task number 2, that you will have to make questions using following question words: what, who, where, when, which, whose, why on loose sheets. I hope all of you have understood well what kind of WH questions are and how you will have to attempt the exercises that I have given you. Dear students, I hope all of you have learned WH questions, what kind of WH questions are, and you all understood well the exercises or tasks that are given to you. So this is the time to say thank you and God bless you all. We will meet inshallah in next class. Thank you.